mosamelo, mosamo, kwai, topo, moshomo, mosebetsi, kolobe, fariki, diaparo, diphahlo, morwedi, moradi, leswiswi, lefifi, mohlare, sefate, taboga, tlola, raka, leleka, boa, khutla. Are you or your child looking for a place to learn Sepedi? Well, you are at the right place, because whether you are learning for general purposes, just language to talk it, or you are learning for school, you want to enroll your kid, is struggling in Sepedi, is in grade 8 to 12, you want to enroll them, well, you are at the right place. Kindly message me on my WhatsApp 078 or on my email hazelmray@gmail.com, and I'm going to respond to you as soon as possible.